Hey, yo, what's good? Wait, hold on. Actually, all right, now we're ready. What is going on, you guys? How we doing? You good? I'm chilling. I just woke up from a nap and I'm ready to go. Okay, today we're gonna be doing 21 taps type beat. I was gonna try and find a sample because I have been using samples lately, and I know I just enjoy it. You guys know I like samples now. Oh yeah, and it's just in time for Sidechaining 2. I know that was announced, so that is why I'm doing this video. So let's get to it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you want to join the Rate My Subscribers Beats next video, links in the description, all that stuff. So yeah, let's freaking do it. Come on. This computer is really pissing me off right now. Why doesn't the space button work when I press pause? Okay, cool. Fucking awesome. Alright, this is kind of cool. I'm keeping this. Over here, what the fuck is the camera playing there? Jeez. Alright, now let's add some sidechaining. See what that does. Because sidechaining is cool and yes. Okay, it's pretty decent melody. It took us 12 flippin' minutes. Alright. Let's see, will Nexus work today? Will Nexus work today? Come on, Nexus. Don't piss me off. Come on. And it worked. Fantastic. Alright, let's use Nexus. Oh, that is not the right preset. Oh. Oh no. No. Next preset, please. Thank you. I think this might be our main melody, guys. Alright, okay, melody's done. I'm not working on this melody anymore. Going to the drums, alright? I can't. Okay, so I tweaked the melody. I don't know if y'all saw that. Tweaked the melody a little bit, and now it's a little better. So let's add these kicks now. I'm not doing anything special with these kicks. I never do, so I don't know why I'm stating that. Yeah, let's, yeah. Guys, you know what happened? I just realized. You wanna know why this beat's fire now? It's the power of the robe. It's the robe, guys. I'm telling you, it's just really the robe, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so the beat is pretty much, I think it's pretty much done. I do want to add a counter melody, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go through the Honestfair real quick, find a counter melody, and I'm going to finish this beat because this is taking way too long. It should not have taken that long to find a counter melody. 20 minutes, that's too long. Okay, let's open up Honestfair again. Beat's done. I can't be asked anymore. I think it's fine. Less is more. If you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Support the channel. You feel me? If you want to enter into my react to my subscribers beats, or link in the description. All instructions in the description. Go and sign up for Viber, submit your beats. I want to hear what you got. All right, unless you're too scared. I'm trying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna see you on the next one. And peace.